everyone! Welcome back! I'm Angela and today I'm going to show you something really cool inside Governge. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can share forms and landing pages inside your virtual room. So people don't have to leave your session to fill out a form or sign up for something. This keeps engagement high and makes things much easier for everyone. So, let's begin! First, log into Governge and enter the room where you want to share your form or landing page. So, let's start with forms. Imagine you're hosting a session and want to collect feedback, sign-ups, or any kind of information from your attendees. Once inside your room, you'll see a panel with different options. Now, click on Share, and you'll see different options appear. Choose Boards and Apps. Now, let's find the form icon and click on it. A small pop-up will appear asking you to paste the link to your form. Inside Google Forms, just copy your form link and paste it here in the pop-up in your room. Click on Open Forms. And that's it! Now your attendees will see the form inside the room. For example, we are here in my guided meditation room, where I embed a background sound too. So it can be more immersive. And Anna, our attendee, can now fill out a quick form about her meditation preferences without leaving the session. This keeps her focused and engaged while I continue my meditation. Now, let's say you have a website or a landing page where people can subscribe to your newsletter or learn more about what you offer. In Boards and Apps, scroll down until you see Custom URL and click on it. Another pop-up will appear where you can paste the link to your landing page. Click on Open Page. And there it goes! Your page is now available inside the room. For example, in my session, Anna can now enter her email and name to subscribe to my newsletter about the benefits of meditation. She stays in the room, listens to my content, and signs up, all at the same time. Also, I want to share a recommendation for you. Set the room to presentation mode so attendees can scroll up and view the form or landing page in full screen. Why is this feature so useful? People don't have to switch tabs or leave your session. They stay focused and engaged. If you're collecting emails or signups, people are more likely to do it when it's easy and in front of them. It makes your session more interactive and professional, like an all-in-one event platform. If you're running a course, webinar, or coaching session, this feature makes it easier to manage feedback and signups. And that's it! Now you know how to use boards and apps inside Governge to add forms and landing pages directly into your room. It's super easy, super effective, and makes your session even more engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. And let me know in the comments, how do you plan to use this feature? I love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!